Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you consider where the price was just at its lows, both this morning and then on Monday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price ultimately closed at, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move on the day. That does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 13 cents. Why is 13 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 13. If the price, and I'm not saying it'll do this, but if the price were to come down here to 13 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress being defined as 13 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to have to squeeze down the charter a little bit. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back into the chart's history. And as of right now, it's looking like right up there at 14.5 cents is going to be that key battleground. If you go through the history, you can see rejected the price, rejected the price, rejected the price, and then rejected the price. So I'm not saying 14.5 can't be broken. I'm just saying, according to the story here that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but be able to stay up above it. So all in all, nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.